Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on your Snapchat location. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. I'm going to show you today how you can turn on the location on Snapchat so that you can share your location with other people and they can see where you are. So first of all, I've opened up Snapchat. The first thing I'll do is I'll tap the little emoji on the top left corner there, and then I'll tap the little settings button, and then you can scroll down. It's right here, see my location, and this is only me currently. Click on that, and currently ghost mode is turned on. That means nobody can see where I am. I'm not sharing my location on Snapchat. I can go ahead and turn that off. And before we can proceed, a message will pop up saying that we need to enable precise location in iOS settings. We will therefore tap on open settings, and then I'll make sure to say yes, Snapchat can use my location while using the app, and then it will ask me to turn off ghost mode. You can see me on the map, and in this case I'll just say okay, only my friends can see me. So this way my friends can see my location and where I am and where I go. People can see where you're at if they're your friends. Of course, you can change this at any point, and you can change the settings or just turn on ghost mode again if you don't want anybody to see your location. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.